Hi, how to convert a PDF to Excel. So for example, I've got this PDF here, which is like an Excel type table format of numbers in each column. So I want to convert this to a CSV file or Excel file. Now what I need first, I need Adobe Acrobat Pro. The link is in the description to a free trial if you don't already have it. So to start off, once you've got that installed, you can just click on the PDF to open it in Adobe Acrobat Pro. You click on File menu, Export to, Spreadsheet, Microsoft Excel Workbook. Then you pick your output folder. So in here you can actually save it lots of different formats, but I'm going to select xlsx. And then in settings, you've got some extra settings. So if you've got multiple pages, you can create per each page. In this case I've only got one page, so I'm going to create a single worksheet for the document, which is the entire document. Click OK. So I'm now going to save that out. So it automatically opens it in Excel afterwards. So you can see from this that it's output the date there, what she was in that column, and it's output the other number afterwards, which is in that column. So that's exactly what I wanted, and it's that easy to do. You can do this with any PDF file with a table spreadsheet type format. Give it a try.